Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Mr. Kalen Hossein, as the founding father of Basic English course. Honorable Mr. Fuad Al-Mutaqin, the director of Basic English course. Respectable Mr. Rudi, the supervisor of active meeting. Honorable Bro Khalil, the chief of active meeting. Unforgettable, my beloved friends. Good morning, guys. How are you today? First of all, let us express our gratitude to the Almighty God, because thanks to His blessing, we have been given the time and opportunity to gather here in good health. On this happy occasion, allow me to deliver a short speech with the title Time. My beloved friends, time is one of the greatest gift that has been given to us. As day, we are granted 24 hours. But how we use that time will greatly determine the direction of our life. Guys, time cannot be stopped, refreshed, or stopped. That is why we must strongly understand that time is incredibly valuable and should never be wasted. In our daily life, we often waste the time on unproductive activities such as spending too much time on social media, procrastinating, or simply begging. In fact, the time can be used for much more meaningful purpose, self-studying, helping others, or developing our potential, or something like that. If you can manage your time well, then success is not something impossible to achieve. Therefore, starting today, let us learn to appreciate and use our time wisely. Let's create schedules, create priorities. Let's create schedules, create priorities, and practice discipline in managing time. Don't let our time without meaning, guys. So I can tell you something, guys, but remember this one. Successful people are not those who have more time, but those who know how to use their time effectively. That is all I can share in my short speech. Thank you for your attention, guys.